again, all of you are welcome to my next video, and this is the final or the last video on the subject consonant sound of alphabet. And already have discussed 20 vowel sounds, and now today I will discuss 24 consonant sounds. You know what 44 sounds, and here 24 consonant sound. But what are they? And let's come to a main point. You see here on the board the symbol here from the Oxford Dictionary. Here you see the symbol, this b, b, d, 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 g, g, h, h, k, 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 m, m, p, p, ra, ra, s, s, t, t, b, b, oo, wa, e, s, s, s. This is the, s, s, j, 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 z, 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 th, 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 th. And these are the sounds of consonant sound of alphabet. And in this way, we'll try to sound or pronounce the words. If these symbols stay or take position near the word, and if we look up the word from the Oxford Dictionary English to English, we'll find out these symbols side by side the word, and according to these symbols we'll pronounce the word easily. And you see the difference here. Two words already I discussed again and again, but here these two words most important, and we mispronounce sometimes. Here you see the symbol tells that this is they. Okay, but this word we mispronounce. We pronounce healthy, not healthy. It is healthy, as the symbol tells us from the Oxford Dictionary. This is, you see here. So this is e, t, ha, a, hel, e, healthy, not healthy. So this is the difference according to symbol from the Oxford Dictionary English to English. Okay, in this way we'll try our level best to pronounce the word easily as the symbols here you see. Okay, thank you again.